Hi, hello, welcome to Food and Beyond. Hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to see 4 different ways of making overnight oats. So come, let's get started. So for the first way, I have taken a glass jar, and for to it I have added a quarter cup of oats, rolled oats, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 175 ml of homemade almond milk, and some 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and I mixed it well together until everything is well combined. Now to it I am adding 1 tablespoon raisins, some banana, almost 3/4 of a banana I am adding to it and mixing it well. I have used a Costco sprouted rolled oats from two organic brothers. You can use any type of oats that you wish. You can even use steel cut oats, so but it has to soak even more time. And finally I have adding 2 tablespoons of walnut, broken walnuts, and finally pinch of cinnamon powder. And that's all. One simple way of making overnight oats is ready. So the second way of making the overnight oats is I have taken a glass jar. To it I am adding a quarter cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 175 ml of almond milk. To it I am adding 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, then some raisins, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and I am mixing everything well together so that the peanut butter and almond milk gets evenly mixed up. Then I am adding a half cup of blueberries. You can add any kind of berries here, like blueberry or blackberry or raspberry or strawberries, but I am adding blueberries here, and I am mixing it well. And I am adding the 1/4 of a banana because the quantity was less, so I am adding more banana here. And the second way is ready. So this is another way of making. The third way of making overnight oats is I have taken a glass jar and adding a quarter cup of oats, and then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. To it I am adding 175 ml of homemade almond milk, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and mix it well together so that the almond milk and Greek yogurt is all evenly mixed up. To it I am adding 1 chopped apple, and some sliced almonds to top it up, and some cinnamon if powder if you want. So the third method of overnight oats is ready. Our final way of making overnight oats is I have taken a glass jar. To it I am adding quarter cup of oats, then 2 tablespoons of flax seeds, then 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, and 175 ml of almond milk, and I am mixing it well together. Now once mixed it up, I am adding some bananas, some goji berries, and mix it up again so that the goji berries are soaked in the liquid for it to become soft. And finally, I am adding some cinnamon powder and sliced almonds, and it's ready. These overnight oats recipes are a great healthy breakfast that you can prepare in advance, and when stored properly, it will last for all week. So it makes us a great meal prep idea for your Sunday to prepare for the weekdays. I have been making this recipe for almost over 2 years now, and they have been very handy. The flexibility of flavors, toppings, and add-ins make this recipe especially awesome. Please do try this recipe at your home, and let me know in comments how you liked it. Please share it with your friends and try to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Food and Beyond. Bye bye.